How to distribute newsflashes. Once you've learned how to manage your library, the next step is to distribute the items in your library. To distribute the items in your library, you head over to the Organizer tab. Before you can distribute any item, you must add it to your library. Once this is done, you can click on the Distributions card where you'll find the Documents and Newsflashes tabs. If you have not distributed any documents or newsflashes yet, these sections will be empty. Let's look at how to distribute newsflashes. Before we begin, make sure that you have selected the Newsflashes tab. To start our distribution, click on the Add button. You'll be given a list of all the newsflashes that are available to be distributed. Click on the newsflash you'd like to distribute and click Select. You'll be redirected to a new screen where you'll have to add the start date, that is when the newsflash will be distributed, and the end date, when the newsflash will expire. Next, you'll need to select the learners to which the newsflash will be distributed by heading to the Learners section and clicking on the Add button. A list of learners will appear. You can select the relevant learners by ticking the relevant learner square boxes on the left-hand side. Click Link when you've selected all the relevant learners. You can also filter learners based on their status. Click on the Filter feature, then click Select Status. Lastly, click Save. When the start date arrives, learners will see the newsflash upon logging into their individual profile. It's as easy as that. Click on the Back button to return to the Newsflash section. You can view the distributed newsflashes by clicking on the Overflow menu and selecting View Profile. Here, you'll see the distribution schedule, the learners it has been scheduled to, and the distribution analytics. A useful function to note is that you can download the list of learners you've selected by clicking on the Download button over here. The download modal will appear, and you can indicate whether you'd like to download the list, receive an email, or both of these options.